Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We are looking at the stock price of Mullen Automotive with the ticker symbol MULN. And today, as you guys can see, we are just a few minutes shy of the closing bell, maybe half an hour. And Mullen Automotive right now is trading at $1.35, which represents an increase of about 0.74%, and it seems to be heading in an upward direction. So most of the major indices today began the day very timidly, and then they trended higher. And just before close of market, I am looking right now, and everything seems to be heading downward ever so slightly, but it will most of the indices will close the day in the green with a positive net positive percentage. So Mullen Automotive, as you guys might remember, they have quite a bit of short pressure, so people are betting that the company will fail. It's not necessarily a good thing, but hey, people use whatever legal means is available to make money. So Hindenburg Research came out with a report paper not too long ago where they kind of had a negative outlook on Mullen Automotive, including the fact that they were not reporting accurately the results they were getting from their battery testing. So since then, we have further information that it looks like Mullen Automotive may have raised even additional capital, but the problem with that is when you have these institutional investors that go in the background and they give these lines of credit, what happens is that ultimately it dilutes whatever stocks are out there. So when a certain period of time, depending on the terms of under which these stocks are or the financing is obtained, stocks that are issued after a certain period of time get released on the open market. And the way these deals are structured is such that all of these institutional backers who can do these rounds of funding almost always end up in the green. They always make a profit, almost always. So the stockholder who buys on the open market and is exposed to the vicissitudes of the market, if its stocks go up, go down, you have to live with that. They don't get the kinds of protection that these institutional buyers get when they get in through the back door. So people are wising up that when those stocks come to market, it means even more shares are available, and of course it means that they are worth even less for each single share. So it's kind of complicated way for me to explain that even though Mullen Automotive might have cash on hand right now, just the fact that they don't have a product that you can buy tomorrow is of a little bit of concern. And the method that they've used to raise cash, even though it's kind of traditional, but the timeline that they have to bring these products to market, it's a little bit also of a concern, because with each round of funding that they do that's not open to the public, those institutional buyers who fund these rounds end up with credit and shares of the company that when they dump on the market will effectively dilute whatever else everybody else owns. So well, the stock did quite well today. At least we didn't see any red, and hopefully the fortunes turn around and then we start seeing more and more green with Mullen Automotive. Again, at this price point, I think those who are sitting on the fence might have to reconsider. If you look and you notice that the 52-week range has been anywhere from 50 cents all the way up to $15, and right now we are trading at $1.30. So it means there is a lot of headroom that this stock can use to grow before getting anywhere close to the 52-week high. So that's what I had to say about Mullen Automotive. At this current price point, I would buy the stock, but I wouldn't buy it based on the fundamentals. Again, I would buy it based on speculation and the news and the PR. All right, that's what I have, and hopefully you guys make wise decisions that fit your risk profile. I'm not here to give anybody advice on financial information or financial advice on how you should invest your hard-earned money. But whichever decision you take and whatever direction you choose to go, I hope that you meet your financial goals in the short, long, and mid-term. Thanks for staying with me throughout this video. If you have come this far, please consider hitting the thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.